Well, newswire agencies are reporting that there is a storm brewing in the Caribbean, not a hurricane, but a storm brewing in the small tourist island of Barbados. It appears that an organization called Speak Out Against American Barbados Embassy has started this storm. They're staging peaceful protests, newspaper articles, a petition which is asking for this embassy to be investigated for the allegations, and have set up a website for citizens to expose what they call abuse of power, violations of regulations, rules, and policies. This by the staff of the United States Embassy and the consulate in Bridgetown, Barbados. This group is asking anyone who has concerns about immigration law or reform to contact them at their website. That website is www.soaabe.org. Now, it does appear that the embassy has a right to act autonomously and that there's no legal recourse to be taken in any court of law. Problems stem from visa petitions that are denied for immigrants to the United States. Now, this includes the spouses, the children, and even the extended families of many American citizens. The embassy has a right to deny a petition without any objective evidence, which is based solely on subjective bias of the consulate officer at that embassy. Now, the American citizen and the person attempting to immigrate to the United States are subjected to very long, malicious interviews, so to speak, and really are interrogations and cross-examinations which are in direct violations of those rules, regulations, and even those policies. They also want to point to the 14 million illegal aliens that are being offered citizenship, Social Security benefits, and even government housing at a cost of billions to the American taxpayers. That's being offered to family members of American citizens who are being denied entry into this country, a country which was built with the sweat, the blood, and even the labor of those immigrants. How a small little embassy on the island of Barbados can destroy families without a care or legal protection for the immigrants is simply an abuse of the spirit of American justice and fairness. This grassroots protest and that accompanying website just might spark a real change in immigration, not by giving away the country, but rather by protecting the citizens from the government that is sworn to an oath to uphold the United States Constitution at the country's laws as well as its policies. The tactics which are being used allegedly by this embassy are similar to the tactics that were used back in Nazi Germany in World War II. Now, they may not be sending those immigrants into gas chambers, but they certainly are denying those folks a better chance at a better life, one with their families and with their friends. There's no chance that a legitimate immigrant can actually become a ward of the state ever. It is built to the application system that they will be provided for by the family member who actually brings them here. It is this reporter's opinion that anyone who loves this country and loves the Constitution and its Bill of Rights needs to check out this website and sign this petition. Again, that website is www.soaabe.org.